So, people, quick video. Now, in terms of how and what you use your time on, yeah, it's a very important factor. During a human's lifetime, most time, and people might not see this or even believe it, but of the majority of a human's time is given away. It's used on other things and other people and other things other than yourself or than that human. So that's a crazy analogy, but that is just the way it is, because at the end of the day, everyone wants time. Everyone wants other people's time, because with more people giving time to a subject or to a certain problem or to something, the more quicker it gets resolved. So, that's just the basis of that. So your time is very important when it comes down to how you use it and how you organize it. Before I was very skeptical and not really caring of how and what I use my time for. But as I've gotten older and I've kind of understood the power of time and how it can be used with work and resources, it's amazing, because it's a type of resource as well. And a lot of people think, oh, because I don't have money, I can't start a business and I can't do this and I can't do that. And I'm thinking, well, that's the wrong way to think of it, because you can find an investor. You can invest your time. You can make a logo. You can draw up a business plan. You can go on Instagram, start up an Instagram page, try and get your first customer in the service that you're doing, to try to test out if there's customers out there for the service that you're selling. There's loads of things that you can be doing. You don't just have to be thinking like that. So that's why I think, well, I know that your time is everything, and you've got to invest it in properly in what you do. So, with that being said, organize your time. Start off by giving more time to yourself, even if it's 4 hours, 3 hours a day, because people work and they have other things to do in their life. So, if it's about 3 hours a day, 4 hours a day, you can give to yourself. Start by doing it and just keep doing it and gradually build up. And as soon you notice that you can start attaining more time to yourself because you enjoy giving time to yourself. And it will be on what your soul wants to do upon this earth.